PMSG based WCS, and here WCS, right? So see here, so I am drawing the diagram. This is our wind turbine, and we are connected here some gearbox, and again we are connected the generator, and we are converting the some power electronics converter here. Again, DC link voltage, with the transformers and grid, right? So this is our wind turbine, and this is gearbox, and this is generator. This generator is PMSG, and this is AC to converter, and this is the DC to AC converter, and this is DC link, and this one is a transformer, and this is grid, right? So see here, if your wind turbine speed is 15 meter per second, the gearbox will be control the whatever the power is captured from the wind, right? This gearbox will be controlled. So here will power is variable or constant fixed here. Variable. Here also variable. So PMSG generators will give power only stator side only, not for rotor. Because of not for rotor side. So we are power flowing like this. That is whatever the power generator, active and reactive power or starter current here. Starter current or stator voltage. Right? This is our transformer. Here AC to DC converter means this is the MSC and this is the GSC and this is DC link capacitor. Whatever the power will come, this is machine means we are connecting here machine. So that's why this is machine side converter. And if you are connecting with the grid side, so that's why it is GSC, grid side converter. So in these sections, we have to control voltage and frequency, and again we have to control active and reactive power, right? In this between. So if you are using power electronics converter means here what will happen? This is PEC. So it is working as variable or fixed? Hello? It is working as variable or fixed wind turbine. Because see here, we are using power electronics converters. So whatever the power will come here, the constant power. Whatever the power we have required, this is constant power here. This constant power we have to give grid. So if you are using power electronics converter means this is the variable speed, not for fixed speed, right? So we have to convert the variable speed to constant speed here. GSC and HSC, MSC and GSC. This is the difference of PMSC, right? And here no need gearbox also, because of we are controlling only one side, stator side, right? And if you go for PMSG, see here, sorry, the DFIG means doubly paired induction generator. Doubly paired induction generators. Doubly paired means, see here, doubly means the power will give stator side as well as the rotor side. That is rotor current or stator current or rotor current, or stator voltage or rotor voltage, right? This is the difference. If you are going to draw the diagram here, see here, this is the wind turbine, and same here, this is gearbox, and we are connecting generator here. This generator is called DFIG. A transformer, and we are connected to grid here. Grid. So this is stator side, and again we are going to rotor side. This is AC to DC. DC link voltage. This is DC to AC. Right? See here, our flow of direction is like this. Right? This is the flow of directions. So we are here, whatever the basis wind turbine, and this is gearbox, where wind turbine speed is 15 meter per second, and same DFIG will be convert mechanical to electrical, right? And whatever the power is flowing, that is active power and reactive power, right? This is the transformer, and grid will take constant power only. This is MSC, and this is GSC, with DC link voltage. So if you are going for, we are using here also some power electronics converter, right? This is our power electronics converter. This is called PEC. So in this section, what we have, see here, wind is not constant. This is variable wind, variable speed, and this is here also variable speed. And whatever the power we have to convert here, this power here, this is constant speed, right? And we are playing to the active and reactive power. This is stator side current, and this one is the rotor. Why stator side and rotor side means, see here, the doubly fed induction generator will give The flipped induction generator, it will be produce the power stator side as well as the rotor side. So that's why I'm connecting here some power electronics converters, and we are connecting to directly the transformers here. This transformer is step down or step up. So basically we are using step up transformers only based the PMS based the Indian conversion system, because it is very difficult, very high power consumptions here, right? So in these sections, no need to control pitch and stall, and as well as we have to control voltage and frequency, as well as the active and reactive power. So this is the difference between EMSG and DFIG based wind energy conversion systems. హలో ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఒకవేళ ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, కామెంట్ చేయండి. అలాగే మరిన్ని ఇలాంటి వీడియోస్ కోసం మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయడం మాత్రం మర్చిపోకండి ఫ్రెండ్స్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.